A little push and it'll knock him off though. So soft. I really like this song. I should have rolled that instead. I dropped that one. Oh yeah. How's it going? One more coming. Let's go. Woo, a little too quick there. Woo. Yeah, I don't think I've done this one before. Yeah, I don't remember having to be so focused on everything. My muscles are burning now. I was all nice and comfy and now I'm like, I'm burning. Is the work done or do we have to stop? How's it going? Oh, just don't stop there.
You guys are crazy.
Only a little bit.
Have a good day. Yeah, you too.
George, you're doing awesome, buddy. Holy moly.